In this WebWise review, I'm going to be showing you a product that is an AI website creator. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if WebWise is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get WebWise at any time during this video, make sure you click the link down below which can give you my exclusive bonuses which you're gonna be getting in the members area right inside Warrior Plus. Now let me show you my bonuses. So these are my bonuses, and the first bonus is the WordPress plugin maker plus code generator, then WhatsApp chat on your website, then WebWise live preview, then WebWise documentation builder, and it goes all the way till 14 bonuses, which is the WebWise site doctor. Now let's get back to the sales page. So it says here, with SEO optimized content along with 1 million plus desperate clients ready to buy them without any coding or designing skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. So to understand this a little better, I'm going to be showing you a video explaining everything about WebWise, and after that I'm gonna be showing you a tutorial on how you can use WebWise to create website using the power of AI.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover a never-seen-before technology to create 50,000 plus ready-to-sell DFY fully cyber-secured WordPress websites loaded with SEO-optimized content along with 1 million plus desperate clients ready to buy them without any coding or designing skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. So if you too are willing to profit from the hottest opportunity of finding clients, as well as creating and selling professional websites that are 100% cyber-secured to hungry audiences without creating a single website yourself, without learning how to safeguard your data from hackers and spammers, without learning complex coding and designing skills, without paying huge every month for third-party platforms, and without chasing freelancers who don't give results even after full settlement. And finally, say goodbye to monthly charging third-party platforms like ClickFunnels, Leadpages, SiteLock, Astra, Opt-in Monster, etc. You're in for a great surprise today, presenting WebWise, brand new first-to-market AI website creator that creates 50,000 plus ready-to-sell DFY fully cyber-secured WordPress websites loaded with SEO-optimized content along with 1 million plus desperate clients ready to buy them without any coding or designing skills at an unbeatable low one-time price. With this in your marketing arsenal, even newbies can find hordes of high-paying clients looking for premium website creation services. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, deliver DFY services. Number 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to make profits from this lucrative industry with no initial investment or third-party dependency. Here are some amazing benefits you get with WebWise. First-to-market technology creates mind-blowing, lightning-fast 50,000 plus DFY WordPress websites with AI-generated content. Profit instantly by selling ready-to-use stunning WordPress websites, AI content, advanced persistent threat protection, SSL, SEO, and many more premium services to 1 million plus desperate red-hot audience in 3 easy clicks. Let AI do all the work with service providers for you while you bill your clients again and again and in a few clicks for delivering services. Get advanced persistent threat protection to ensure 100% security against hackers, spammers, cyber threats on your websites, etc. Let AI create SEO-optimized content for your blogs, websites, offers, and anywhere else instantly on WebWise sites. Get over 1,000 hand-picked website templates to create industry-leading websites in red-hot business niches. Get 100% protection for personal data, trade secrets, intellectual property, and any sensitive business information. You need only 1 click to find 1 million plus credit card-ready customers running after you to buy these amazing websites and services. Use inbuilt army of designers, coding experts, SEO professionals, content writers, SSL experts, advertising experts, video makers, traffic scientists, etc., ready to deliver exceptional service to your clients. Inbuilt DFY client outreach software included, DFY service intro, delivery, and after-sales service, Live fulfillment system included that'll show you instant flip services to offer your clients. Buy for $10 and flip for $100 and more instantly. Zero hard selling, zero cold calling, and zero configuration. Get hordes of hungry clients in a jiffy. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never been seen before. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during the special launch deal. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. But make it fast, as this is a limited-time offer. Once you close this page, this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, WebWise will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes zero. Click on the button below this video to get WebWise for the lowest price. Good luck. We'll see you inside.
I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Now I'm gonna be showing you the tutorial, and after you guys watch the tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you the different OTOs and upgrades. Before we jump into the OTOs and upgrades, let's have a look at the price of WebWise. So if you go to the sales page and if you go all the way down till here, You can see the price of WebWise is at $19, which is a one-time fee. You can also add this if you want, but if you don't add this, it's just gonna be $19. Before we jump into the OTUs and upgrade, let me show you quickly the website that has been created by WebWise. So let's go ahead and press on this dairy farm. As you can see, it's a beautiful website that has been created by WebWise. So if you press the service, it shows the services, then blogs, okay, then contacts. Okay, that's good. Now let's check another website. Let's go to dentist. Okay, there's another amazing website. Let's go to the blogs. It looks pretty good. Now let's go to the blogs. It shows us the blogs and everything. Then the services. It shows us their services. Then you can even contact. So this is an amazing website that has been created by WebWise. So if you want to purchase it, I guess you have to go in the link in the description. Now these are the OTUs and upgrade. I have shown you the front end already, which is $19. Then the first OTO is the premium, which is $47. Then the second OTO unlimited, $37. Third OTO, which is $37. Then fourth OTO is gonna cost you $37. Then done for you is gonna cost you $47. Agency $67, reseller $97, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of WebWise. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.